so it's gonna be the first video in my moving series, and I kind of want to do like a lot, like maybe some vlogs, some DIYs. Just you guys are gonna follow me along with this journey and everything as I get situated in this new city. And if you don't know yet, I did move to Atlanta, Georgia, finally. If you know me, you know I've been talking about this for so long. I've wanted this since like I went to college. But yeah, so I'm finally here now and I'm super excited. But right before we get on into the video, make sure you guys like, comment down below, and subscribe. Also hit those post notifications when you get a chance, so when the next video comes out, it can make a woo. Now, without further ado, let's get right on into the video. And before I do all of that, I just wanted to know, just for privacy purposes, I am not going to be showing like my view and things like that, or like my hallway, or specifically giving away what building I live in, of course, because you know there's people out there. So I do want to share with you guys like what the inside does look like without giving away too much, so I hope that's okay. But we'll get right on into the video. Okay, so this is my front door. Everything in here is a smart home basically, so everything I use in here works from my phone. I mean, of course there's like light switches and stuff like that, but I can turn off the lights, remote and things like that. Of course the air conditioning, but yeah, so I don't have keys at all. I unlock the front door with my cell phone. If you watch my reel on Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, stop right now and go follow me on Instagram. But if you watch my reel on Instagram, then you'll see like a notepad pops up. You can type in a code, or you can just not virtually, but like open it from your phone. Again, for privacy purposes, I don't want to show too much. But yeah, so this is my front door. Right here is a storage closet. And then this door right here is, I'm gonna assume, the water heater. I don't know because it's locked, so I want to assume it's the water heater. And then we step forward. This is the washer and dryer right here. Okay, so as we move on into the kitchen, this is my sanctuary. So I have an island, and of course there's spaces to put bar stools and things like that. I have a very deep sink as well, but let me get on into this corner. So as you can see, the cabinets are extremely high. Like this is me with my arms all the way up, and they go way past that point. And then they have the two-tone cabinet style. I don't particularly like it, but it is okay. Would I put it in my own house? Absolutely not. But it works for here. So yeah, and then they're soft close cabinets. So I'm like, oh, that's cool. Don't be slamming the door. And then it's these cute little knobs on everything in here. It's the cute little knobs, and they are silver hardware. Majority of everything in here is silver hardware, the door handles and everything like that. Except for the balcony door and the front door. So back into the kitchen. So yeah, it's silver hardware on the handles. I have a gas stove. It's my first time with a gas stove, y'all. So if you have any tips, definitely drop it below. But like my aunt was telling me how to clean it and things like that. So I think I'll be okay. And then of course, a microwave. So all the appliances in here are stainless steel, which was a necessity for me when I was picking a place. Like the kitchen really had to be exactly how I wanted it, and this is literally exactly how I wanted it, except for the cabinets, of course. But it's fine. And then the countertop is just a quartz countertop. It kind of has like a marble effect to it. It's really, really pretty, really, really nice. And then the back here is just some brick, like white brick. Yeah, so that is this little area. Okay, so we're moving this way onto the fridge. This is the fridge. It is very big actually. And it has its own like water and ice dispenser. So that's of course a plus, because I won't have to be buying water bottles and things like that. I can always just fill up a water bottle that I have myself and head on the road. Yeah, so these are some really big cabinets. I love them. I'm gonna use this space as a pantry area, of course. And of course, on this side, we have the dishwasher right here. And the sink, as I said, the sink is beautiful, beautiful. It's very deep. And I love the head, like it comes off and everything like that. Of course, this is how the water works. And then this button right here is the like garbage disposal, but it's extremely nice. No, it's nice though. But yeah, so the kitchen is gonna definitely be my sanctuary. I'm so excited to get in here and cook. Like, I'm ordering new pots and everything. So stay tuned for some cooking with Krissy videos. But yeah, let's just move on to the next part of the house. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is my living room space. So past this wall where the fridge is where the living room area starts. I'm so sorry it's dark. I do have my shades closed just for privacy purposes. But this is the living room. I am gonna put my couch along this wall and the TV on this wall, and like a table, maybe some chairs, maybe some ottomans. I'm just trying to feel out the space. I don't know specifically the different type of pieces of furniture that I want to put in here yet. I haven't ordered like my couch or anything like that yet, which I really need to get on because I heard everything is in back order, so y'all pray for me. But yeah, that's the living room. It's actually very spacious. Okay, so as you can see, this is my bedroom. This is the bedroom door. And then over here, we have like the fan system, the light, and then the switch for all the outlets in the room. This is where I'll probably end up putting my TV, even though I'm not entirely sure if I want a TV in the room yet. Y'all comment down below if you think I should put a TV in my room. I just think it enables my procrastination and my inability to do things when I need to actually do them. So I don't think I want a TV. I really don't think I want a TV in my room. Like, I don't think I want a TV in my room. But I don't know what to put on that wall if I do decide that I don't want a TV in my room. So help me figure that out. But yeah, so moving this way, this is where the breaker box is. And I'm like, I don't know why the breaker box is here. Of course, as you can see right here is my bathroom. We'll move into there in a second. But why is the breaker box in my room, y'all? For the whole layout of the place to be so nice. I'm like, why did they slap that right there? But I guess that's the thing that apartments are doing now. I don't know. Maybe I need to get to it in the middle of the night. I don't know. But please help me try to figure out what I can put to cover that. I have an idea in my head and it might end up being a whole video because I saw it on TikTok and I'm like, I really could do that. But yeah, so that's where the breaker box is. You look this way. This is my window. So as you can see, the window area is quite large. Basically takes up the whole wall, and then there's a window at the top as well. That's as much as my view as you guys will see. But let's move on into the bathroom. So of course this is the door that leads into my bathroom, and there is a door here as well that leads back into the like common area, kitchen, living room space. So yeah, so moving on into the bathroom, we have my sink area. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then there are some cabinets right here that are huge. So I think I'm gonna use as kind of like a linen closet, and then like cleaning supplies in the one underneath it, toilet paper and things like that. Then of course we have my beautiful shower, which was definitely one of the things that I wanted in this apartment. Like it was a necessity for me, honestly. I don't want to say necessity, but it was really high on my want list. Now there was a need list and a want list. It was extremely high on my want list because I don't like standing in shower water. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. I really can't express that enough, like how much I hate standing in shower water. And my hair seems to clog up the shower a lot because like I wear constant wigs and things like that. So yeah, don't particularly like that. So I really wanted to have a shower, and of course this place has a shower. Now, if you look this way, you will see my beautiful, beautiful mirror. And the mirror has kind of like a ring light built in around it. It's amazing, honestly. It's really good for doing makeup. It is kind of hard to see like with the lighting sometimes, but I think my eyes are just getting adjusted to everything. But yeah, so of course the toilet. This is my bathroom. Okay, so this door right here leads into my closet. So I have to go through my bedroom, or from my bedroom through my bathroom into the closet area. So this is my closet. My closet is way bigger than I remembered it being from my tour, honestly. So I have a lot more clothes that I need to buy now to fill up all this space. But it does have shelves, some baskets, and then of course like the regular racks where I can put my clothing. I am gonna like put my purses up, my shoes up, things like that. And definitely have like a space for my like luxury items, or like more luxury type items. And I'm kind of going for like a brownie feel in here. I'm gonna keep it very neutral. And I want to put my laundry basket in here as well. Just keep everything out of the way, tucked away. I want to keep it looking extremely modern throughout the whole time that I'm here. Yeah, so this is my closet. Yeah. So that's it. Okay, so I'm just here again to thank you guys for watching this video. I'm so excited to be here, honestly, but I hope you guys did comment something down below. I'm trying to finish this off before my camera dies, but I hope you guys did comment something down below. Let me know like how you think I should decorate, if you want to come over, whatever the case may be, just let me know. But yeah, so I have a lot more to come. Make sure that my post notifications are turned on. As far as the whole moving series goes and the vloggy vlogs I live in ATL, just stay tuned for so much more, and thank you so much for watching this video, and have a beautiful, beautiful day. And if I didn't mention before, I am the first person in my unit, so that's why everything looks like fresh and brand new. And I absolutely love that aspect, because there's no bad juju in here. But yeah, y'all have a good day. Bye.